So the M3P, or Mississippi Metagenome Project, is involved with characterizing all the microorganisms, or at least the majority of those, that are present in the Mississippi River.
The Mississippi is the most important river in our state. It's the most important river in the United States, and it's one of the most important rivers in the world.
The Mississippi River is a really important resource both for humans and animals and the environment in general, and we're very fortunate here in Minnesota to have its headwaters located about 4 hours northwest of here. So the Mississippi Metagenome Project capitalized on having the pristine headwaters located northwest of here.
And the question is, how does the microbial population of the Mississippi change from the headwaters, which we would consider fairly pristine, all the way down to where the Mississippi leaves the state of Minnesota.
And that river is impacted by a lot of human activity as it marches down, both by farming and agricultural and urban and industrialization processes. And those processes directly impact the microorganisms that are present. The materials that enter the river not only impact the humans who live near the river, but also influence the community structure of the microorganisms that live in the river, both in a positive and maybe in a negative way. Let's go down over here. It's a nice spot. Minnesota-Mississippi Metagenome Project involves sampling at 12 sites throughout the Mississippi River. We take that water and then filter it and obtain just the bacterial fraction present in that sample.
We sample multiple places along the river. We sample upstream and downstream of waste treatment plants and confluences of rivers.
We know about the treated effluent from sewage treatment plants that's going in. We know about some of the agricultural runoff. We don't always know everything else that's going into the river.
So we measure 10 different chemicals that might be coming into the system from human activity.
We would like to be able to measure the health of the river in a way that would tell us where there's hot spots, where there's problems, where there's things that we need to do. And so our hope is, once we learn enough about what's going on in the Mississippi and Minnesota, that we will then be able to continue this research all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico.